What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video, and I wanted to get this quick video up for you guys because we're seeing altcoins absolutely pop off today. And Stellar Lumens, I think, is going to be the next one to pop off by the beginning of the morning tomorrow. So if that sounds good to you guys and you guys enjoy today's video, make sure you guys press that subscribe button down below if you guys are new to the channel. Come out with daily crypto videos every single day for you guys. But before we waste any time, because this move could happen before I even get this video up, as you guys can see on the 4-hour, we are in this symmetrical triangle, right? We're getting multiple touches on the top here, and we just got rejected on our last 4-hour candle on the top again, and we've gotten multiple touches on the bottom of this. And this is projected to break out by 8 o'clock, right? By 8 o'clock tomorrow. So this could happen anytime today, anytime overnight tomorrow. So I wanted to get this video up quickly for you guys before this move actually happens. The measured move of this, right, it's going to be something insane, right? So let me get rid of that line here if I could. The measured move of this, if we get this auto, will be from the top of the triangle down to the bottom, right? It's going to give us a measured move if we put it right at the apex here, of all the way up to 51 cents, right? If we scroll out a little bit here, if we can get a little more price action to show up here, if we zoom out, that's going to put us right at, let's switch on over to daily so it's a little bit easier to see, guys. That's going to put us right at about this level here, if we can post it. So that's going to put us right about here, which has some confluence, a lot of price action to the left over here. Not right on a support or resistance, but still would make perfect sense there for that type of move. If we switch back on over to the 4-hour here, guys, we're going to look at the measured move there is 51 cents. We're also going to look at the Fibonacci retracement here to see where that would bring us as well. So if we go back here, that first target, look, exactly perfect, guys. Our first target is the 1.618 Fibonacci, exactly at that 51 cent level. So if we do get a breakout here, look for a massive move to the upside. This will be a pretty crazy move considering we're seeing altcoins go up between 20 and 50% to say. We see Polkadot up about 35% as I'm making this video. We're seeing Ethereum up 10%, tons of altcoins popping off. We're seeing Tezos breakout, just like I said in my last Tezos video. Tezos is up about 20% as well. So massive gains for the altcoins coming in, and Stellar Lumens is right on that brink of being the next one to break out. Now, it is possibly break out to the downside, so don't be surprised if that actually happens. But worst case, I think we go down, worst case, we come back down slightly, maybe up to the 23 cent mark if we break to the downside. But with how bullish everything is looking right now, I don't think that's very likely. So switching on over to the daily chart here, we obviously have this rising channel that we've been in since March of 2020. We came back down to retest it as support, but what we also did, why I'm so bullish as well, is we came back down to retest our old resistance as support and get a nice buy pressure and bounce off of that. Scrolling on out here, you guys can see what we pretty much did here is we pumped up, right? Came back down to retest our old bear market resistance as support, pumped up again, came back down to retest that as support, and then pumped up again. Now, this is so similar to the last bull market. So if we zoom on in here, so we can see this a little better here, we did the exact same thing down here in 2017. You guys can see we pumped up, right? Came back down to retest our old bear market resistance as support right here, and then we pumped up again, and you guys can see it's a little small, but you guys can see on the daily we came back down to retest that as support again, just like we did in our current one. And then after that, you guys can see the massive gains that we got about a 1,200% move, or a 12x move after this happened. And this is pretty much playing out the exact same. So we could be, like I said, we're in this symmetrical triangle. If we do get a breakout, look for big moves to the upside here for Stellar Lumens. But that is kind of the daily chart here. And I also wanted to quickly look at the Stellar BTC pair. This is an ascending triangle, which is typically a bullish pattern, right? So another bullish factor that could be playing out here and we could ping pong in here until we get that major push off. Or like I said, guys, if we break out of this triangle, look for Stellar Lumens to make major moves to the upside on this pair. And really, if we switch on over to the daily, really start to make another one of these fractals where every single time we break our low resistance, we get a massive move to the upside every single time. So could we be due for something like that? I think it's very possible that we could get a major move to the upside on the ratio here. Like I said, not 100% likely, but it definitely is possible based on this fractal of every single time we bang our heads against that resistance, we eventually get a massive impulse to the upside. So that is the video on Stellar Lumens today. Just a quick video today because I want to get this out before we actually do get this breakout here. Hopefully it doesn't happen before I actually get it uploaded to YouTube, but if it does, try my best to get it up before it did. But we are so close to that breakout, and like I said, if you guys are new to the channel and actually enjoyed today's video on Stellar Lumens, make sure you press that subscribe button down below. I come out with daily altcoin and Bitcoin videos every single day for you guys. Try to make 2. I will be coming out with another video later on today, so you guys make sure you are looking out for that one. And I'll see you guys in later's video. Peace.